I first came, we've been friends, and
now it's time for marriage.
For some reason, I think the ancestors put you where you're supposed to be, when you're supposed to be there. Because one of the things was because we have a different mentality, it was difficult for me to relate to some of the Ghanaians, you know, and their situations. But it's like he hadn't travelled abroad at that time, and he was so connected to our experience. Like, so he was like a bridge. Like, he teaches me, because he knows the traditional, he's kept the traditional ways. So he teaches that, but at the same time, he can relate to our experience as well. So just to say that I think we're brought together for reasons, because it's not everybody that can really understand us, because we are jacked up.
That's right.
You know, the share, there's so many things that we've been conditioned with. We value paper. Like, we think that if somebody, let's say, gives us a piece of paper saying that we own a building, we value that to be it. Whereas here, it's your word. Like, you make a word is bond, you know, so there's different systems that we probably don't even know that we've attached to, that isn't for us.
That's right.
I'm not saying that you shouldn't get paperwork.
And it is the plan of the West. It's the plan of the West to always keep us down so that we can always be servants but not masters.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Straight up slave plantation.
Yeah.
My grandson came, and he's 5.
Good.
I was wondering, I was concerned because his mother's like, she's half Ghanaian, but she is very westernized and she's young. So I was thinking, because he came for 3 months, like just over 3 months, and I was concerned about the malaria. Because for me and the twin, like I have twins that are here, like I know that whatever happens, I'm fine. But when you're taking on a responsibility of somebody and you know their mentality, it's scary, and I'm sure it's scary for even adults to move here and they think about malaria and the things that really shouldn't be a concern. But he came and he connected straight away. In London, they live in flats, and anytime I went to London to see him, I never saw truly who he was until he came here, because he comes home from school and he's in the house. He's playing with his toys in the house. He's watching TV in the house. When he came here, he would leave and he was well, the first time he came, I live over here, and he got lost walking to where the twins were living. But after that, he would be gone for the whole day. And that's how the people live here. They live outside, whereas we live inside.
Yes, say that.
So now he actually wants to come and live here. So, but yeah, just to say, you don't really know who you are until you connect back. Because I would never have thought that, because my daughter was saying, oh, he needs skin cream for the sun and all of this stuff. He would be out in the hot sun with the twins, and all he'd come for is water and go. He comes for water. He learnt tree. He learnt his, because we had a teacher come we had the twins being tutored here. So he went to the same school. And he learnt tree in a matter of a month.
Wow.
Yeah. So he was communicating with them, and so, you know, it's just, we have to have the passion to do it, and we can do it.
You keep on going.
So this would be the birthing canal. There'll be a door here, and you come out, and there'll be something, I'm not sure what. Yeah. And that will be the end of the. Now we can do.
Excellent, my sister. Excellent. Appreciate your energy.
Yeah, it's a